There is something about the wolf that tugs at the deepest parts of our imagination. They are creatures of legend, whispered about in the dark and revered in the light. Whether portrayed as cunning predators, mystical guides, or symbols of untamed freedom, wolves have shaped human mythology, art, and literature for centuries. But what is it about these enigmatic creatures that keeps us so enthralled? Perhaps it is their untamed spirit, their intricate social bonds, or their haunting, melancholic howls that echo through the forests and mountains. Whatever the reason, wolves hold a grip on the human psyche, stirring a mix of awe, fear, and admiration. From the frostbitten landscapes of the Arctic to the dense, shadowed woodlands of North America and Europe, wolves have long roamed both the wilderness and our collective consciousness. Their presence in folklore, symbolism, and even modern conservation efforts reveals a connection that transcends time. To understand this fascination, we must delve into the very essence of the wolf, their social structures, their survival instincts, and the myths that have shaped their place in human culture. One of the most captivating aspects of wolves is their complex social structure. Unlike the lone wolf stereotype often portrayed in fiction, wolves are highly social animals that thrive in close-knit packs. These packs, typically consisting of an alpha pair and their offspring, operate on a delicate balance of dominance, cooperation, and familial bonds. The hierarchy within a wolf pack is both fluid and structured. While the alpha pair leads, decision-making is not solely based on aggression or brute force. Instead, it involves strategic cooperation, communication, and mutual respect. Subordinate wolves play crucial roles, helping to care for the young, hunt for food, and protect their territory. Each member of the pack contributes to the survival and success of the group, showcasing an intricate dynamic that reflects intelligence, adaptability, and social cohesion. Perhaps what makes wolves so mesmerizing is their unwavering loyalty. A pack is not just a group of animals. It is a family, a unit bound by deep emotional connections. Wolves exhibit remarkable acts of care, such as bringing food to injured members or comforting distressed pups with gentle nuzzles. Their ability to form lasting bonds mirrors human relationships, drawing us into their world with a sense of familiarity and admiration. Communication among wolves is another reason they hold such mystique. They utilize a sophisticated system of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to convey messages. Their haunting howls, often heard echoing through the night, serve multiple purposes, reuniting separated pack members, marking territory, and even expressing emotions. Each howl is unique, much like a fingerprint, allowing wolves to recognize each other across vast distances. Beyond howling, they growl, whimper, and bark to signal warnings, submission, or affection. Their body language, flattened ears, raised tails, or exposed teeth, adds another layer of nuance to their communication. These intricate forms of interaction reveal a level of intelligence and emotional depth that is both fascinating and relatable. Wolves have occupied a prominent place in mythology across cultures. In Norse mythology, Fenrir, the great wolf, was both feared and revered, representing chaos and destiny. In Native American traditions, wolves were seen as spirit guides, embodying wisdom, strength, and intuition. Even in modern literature and cinema, the image of the wolf continues to evolve, symbolizing everything from rebellion and independence to unity and survival. But wolves have not always been portrayed favorably. In medieval Europe, they were often depicted as sinister creatures, lurking in the darkness, ready to prey upon the unwary. Fairy tales such as Little Red Riding Hood and the Three Little Pigs cemented their image as cunning villains. This negative perception contributed to centuries of hunting and persecution, driving wolves to near extinction in many regions. Despite this, wolves have reclaimed their place in human admiration, thanks in part to conservation efforts and a deeper understanding of their ecological importance. Today, they are seen as symbols of resilience and balance, playing a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems by controlling prey populations and fostering biodiversity. In the modern world, wolves continue to be at the center of ecological and ethical debates. Reintroduction programs, such as those in Yellowstone National Park, have demonstrated the profound impact wolves have on ecosystems. By keeping elk populations in check, wolves help restore vegetation, which in turn supports a diverse range of species. Their presence in the wild serves as a reminder of nature's delicate balance. However, the relationship between humans and wolves remains complex. Farmers and ranchers often view wolves as threats to livestock, leading to conflicts that challenge conservation efforts. Yet, through education and innovative solutions, such as non-lethal deterrence and compensation programs, a future of coexistence is possible. Wolves captivate our imagination because they embody both the wild and the familiar. They remind us of the untamed beauty of nature, the strength of family bonds, and the importance of balance in the natural world. Whether we see them as noble guardians, fierce hunters, or misunderstood creatures, their presence continues to shape our stories, inspire our art, and ignite our curiosity. As we move forward, the way we choose to interact with wolves, whether through conservation, storytelling, or personal reflection, will determine their place in our world. One thing remains certain: the call of the wolf will never cease to echo in our hearts, forever entwined with the spirit of the wilderness.